Hello everyone. In this lesson, we're going to focus on how to multiply or divide algebraic fractions and simplify them whenever necessary. We know simplifying is a process involving cancelling down the fraction by dividing it by common factors. Let's begin the starter questions by multiplying or dividing fractions. In this question, you can see it involves multiplying or dividing fractions or mixed numbers, also involving algebraic fractions. Press pause and try these questions. Once completed, press play to check your answers. Please try these questions in your exercise book or on a piece of paper. Press pause now. Here are the answers. Notice when you're multiplying fractions, we're multiplying the denominators together and the numerators. And once multiplied, we're simplifying by dividing by the common factor. With division, the initial fraction remains the same. Inverse of divide is multiplication, and we find the reciprocal of 3 over 4, which gives you 4 over 3. Now we could multiply the fraction. 6 multiplied by 4 gives you 24. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. That's an improper fraction, which has been converted into a mixed number. 21 goes into 24 once, remainder 3 over 21. That can be further simplified as 1/1/7. I won't actually particularly focus on the algebraic fractions. In the algebraic fractions, we use the same concept. Involves multiplying fractions. X multiplied by x, which gives you x squared. 3 multiplied by 4, which gives you 12. So multiplying these two fractions would give us the answer x squared over 12. Let's focus on the dividing fractions. 4x over 5 divided by x over 2. And we use the similar concept of dividing fractions. 4x over 5 remains the same. Keep the fraction. Change the operation. The inverse of divide is multiplication, and flip the fraction, which is finding out the reciprocal of it, 2 over x, and then they are multiplied together. Notice once multiplied, x is the common factor, which is divided by x on both sides, which gives us 8 over 5, which can be further converted into a mixed number, 3 over 5. Now let's look at a few examples involving multiplying or dividing complex algebraic fractions. Now let's look at the example involving multiplying or dividing by algebraic fraction. The first example, we are going to multiply the numerator together and the denominators together. Now I'm looking whether I can simplify it before I can expand and simplify. I can't cancel them down as there are no common factors. Hence, I'm going to multiply it, which gives us x squared plus 2x over 3x minus 6. Now here is another fraction involving division. Now we're going to use the same concept of dividing fractions in this question. X over 3, opposite of divide would give us times. The reciprocal of 2x over 7 is 7 over 2x. Now I would multiply the numerators together, which gives us 7x, multiply the denominators together, which gives us 6x. Notice I have a common factor, x. Dividing by x on both sides would give us 7/6, which is an improper fraction, which can be further written as a mixed number, 1/6. Now, use this concept in this question involving dividing algebraic fraction. Press pause and try this question on a piece of paper or in your exercise book. Once completed, press play to check your answer. Press pause now. Here are the answers. X of minus 5/10. Inverse of divide is multiplication. The inverse of x squared minus 5x over 5 is written as 5/x squared minus 5x. Now we multiply the numerators and we multiply the denominators. Notice we can factorize x squared minus 5x and we've done it because we noticed x minus 5 is a common factor. Once factorized, we can cancel them down or simplify or divide by x minus 5 on both sides, which gives us 5/10x. I can further simplify them by dividing by 5 on both sides, which gives us 1/2x. Can you please attempt 10 questions from this page? Make sure you attempt them on a piece of paper or an exercise book, showing the working out clearly. Once completed, please go to slide 5 for answers. Once you've attempted the questions provided in slide 5, please open the worksheet. It says multiplying and dividing fractions worksheet. It is important you type your answers next to each question or underneath each question, showing you're working out clearly. The extension questions are provided at the end of the worksheet. It is very important that you complete it and attach the completed worksheet to Google Classroom. As usual, if you have any questions, please let me know.